Yeah, I was on my way to Winkler to pick up my husband from work. Yeah, there was some nice spots, and then all of a sudden it was like -50 degree where I couldn't see anything. And then we would get back to where we could see it, and then again we couldn't see anything. It's quite scary. Yeah, it was like minutes of us getting home, then Madison told me that the roads were closed. So it was nice to get home and know that we were safe and sound. Stay home, do not risk it. It's not worth anybody's lives, and yeah, just stay home.